ahead.
630 West. Rodney Parham, Boy Frank, 98 George, BBF98G. It's a White GMC Sierra.
Expired.
Coming towards you, 37.
LPN on the road. Rick down cocaine.
Some of your head! Some of your head! Some of your fucking head!
Get out the car!
Some of your fucking
Get out the car! Get on your face!
Get the fuck on the ground!
Get on your face! Lay down.
You get me and hit me. What the fuck was that about? I'm just sitting here, man. You just being too aggressive. I ain't doing nothing but shut the fuck up. You so aggressive, bro. Just tell me this. The fuck you running for? Look, what the fuck is this? Be honest with you. I'm honest that I've been drinking. I'll be honest with you. But I'm like, what the fuck is he just stopping in front of? I just been honest with you.
Hold on, I'm turning back here. You say you ran because you drunk?
I've been drinking a little bit. I ain't drunk. I just told you. I've been drinking.
You told me to the thing.
What I'm saying is, I ain't been drinking. Stop me, though.
Been doing it right. Started to
I better be stuck. And I just told you too, I've been drinking a week, so that's why I really count.
10-4, Bluford, net 1064,
You didn't have to hit it for me. You say that's my fault. Half-ass homeless, man, hit my car. This thing I
You
got.
should have took off running. Should have pulled over.
Hey,
I know it's crazy. I like it, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
10-4, 2 o'clock.
I've been through a lot of shit in my life. I appreciate this, man. I appreciate it. Just let me know. I appreciate it.
Don't you know what? You can't just do what you want to do.
No, bro, everybody is crazy. He wanted to say why he stopped me.
Your tags expired. You didn't let me get. If you didn't stop, I'd have told you.
It's October.
I got you. Well, it come back expired.
October.
And you ain't got no tag light.
Brother. No, I ain't got no tag light. I'm just saying, bro.
We could have talked about that if you'd pulled over.
First you said they expired. Now you saying they ain't got no light.
Alright.
Man, look, man.
Good.
I done been the worst of the worst, man. I ain't even the worst no more. But I ain't gonna lie, but I done been the worst of the worst. I'm gonna be honest with you. I done been, you know my name, I done been the worst of the worst. But I ain't the worst of the worst no more. I'm 51 years old. I'm not the worst of the worst no more.
Walk her back.
I'm not the worst of the worst, man. Hey, I just got that car today.
Should have pulled over. Somebody drinking and driving. Should have pulled over.
I know, man. I know. Never nobody else. It's always everybody else.
Boy Frank.
You said my tags were expired. Search everything. Get everything. Get everything. Get everything. I just told you what my problem was. I just told you. I'm not lying to you.
Wallet on the inside of your pants?
Yeah, I take them. You want me to take these off?
Yeah,
even though that's not even with the thing. That's against the law. But I let you
do the risk. You don't got no rights no more.
Yeah, I let you take them off. You still, I got rights. Whenever you get through, I've been to prison 4 times, federal prison twice, and everything. I got rights, but I'm not tripping though. I ain't gotta submit.
You're saying as if I
ain't gotta submit. I ain't gotta submit to none of this. That's just being real now. You know that, and I'm just saying, brother. I ain't trying to give you no problem. I gave you no problem, but I've been drinking though. But I've been drinking. But you ain't got no kind of, you didn't give me no problem. You said, son of a, your tags is not even expired. I know my tags be expired Saturday. I know that. I know that. It's crazy. It's crazy.
Adam 36, 10-4, 203.
I ain't got nothing for it.
Trying to get your wallet, man.
That is it. My wallet is in the back seat, but that got my ID. Got my credit card and all that.
Alright, there we go. Let's see.
Can I see my check? I know I'm in the wrong, but shit, you can be in the wrong too, bro. Real shit. That's real talk. You can be in the wrong too. Damn, my truck fucked up. How the
Adam 14,